The third tab presented when the Bookmarks button is tapped displays the browsing history of that device. Each item in this list represents a specific web page, not a website. The title of the web page is displayed on top, and below in smaller text is the web address. Tap to load the page again, or tap and hold to view a preview and open it in a background tab. The history list gets divided into chunks of time. The most recent are split into periods of the day, like this afternoon or yesterday morning. As we go further back, it's just divided day by day. At the very top of the history list, we have a search field. This is going to search the page title and the address for the search term. If I search for playoffs here on the iPhone, several pages turn up. Search for something more specific like Iceland over on the iPad, and the result is just a single page. History items can be removed from the list one by one with a swipe left on them. Or we can delete the entire history list with a tap on the clear button down here. We can clear out our entire history, or as little as just the last hour of visited pages. Notice that this will also affect the other devices synced via iCloud. So if I clear out the history for today and yesterday here on the iPad, after a minute or two that will occur on my iPhone as well. As I start visiting pages again on either device, the history list will start displaying those under this afternoon. Remember that we can avoid web pages being saved in the history list if we switch to a private browsing tab. Any pages that I visit while in this tab will not be recorded in my history.